Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Explore the history, regional variations, and techniques for making the perfect Gua Bao at home or enjoying it at street stalls. Braising the pork belly to perfection. The heart of your Gua Bao is the tender, flavorful braised pork belly. This step requires patience, but the rich, succulent results are well worth the wait. Slow cooking transforms the pork belly into a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Follow these steps for irresistible pork belly. Sear the pork. Start by searing the pork belly on all sides until it is a nice golden brown. This locks in flavor and creates a delicious crust. Prepare the braising liquid. The liquid is where the magic happens. Combine soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, rock sugar, 5-spice powder, and water or chicken broth. You can also add ginger slices or garlic for extra aroma. Simmer until tender. Place the seared pork belly into the braising liquid. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot. Let it cook slowly for at least 1.5 to 2 hours, or even longer. The pork should be fork tender and easily pull apart. This slow cooking allows the flavors to deepen and the fat to render beautifully. Remember, patient, slow cooking is crucial for both flavor development and achieving that perfect tender texture. Do not rush this step. Preparing the essential accompaniments. The accompaniments are what bring freshness and balance to your Gua Bao. They cut through the richness of the pork and add essential texture. These elements are easy to prepare and truly complete the dish. You will need these key toppings. Pickled mustard greens, su and kai. These provide a tangy, slightly salty crunch. You can often find them pre-made in Asian grocery stores. If they are very salty, rinse them briefly under cold water and squeeze out any excess liquid. Then, chop them finely. A quick sauté in a little oil with a pinch of sugar can brighten their flavor. Fresh cilantro. This adds a burst of herbaceousness. Simply wash and roughly chop fresh cilantro leaves. Crushed peanuts. These provide a nutty sweetness and a satisfying textural contrast. You can buy pre-crushed peanuts or crush your own roasted peanuts in a mortar and pestle or a food processor. A light sprinkle of sugar mixed with the peanuts enhances their sweetness. Preparing these elements is straightforward. They are meant to complement the savory pork. Ensure they are fresh and ready for assembly. Beyond the classic, modern takes and where to find the best. While the traditional Gua Bao holds a special place, chefs are constantly innovating. They are taking this beloved street food and giving it creative new spins. This evolution means you will find exciting flavors and unexpected combinations. You do not have to travel far to enjoy a great Gua Bao, no matter where you are. Innovative Gua Bao creations. Chefs are always pushing the boundaries of what Gua Bao can be. They are keeping the soft bun but filling it with new and exciting ingredients. Think of it as a culinary canvas for creativity. Here are some popular innovations you might encounter. Beyond pork belly. While pork belly is classic, you will now find Gua Bao with other proteins. Crispy fried chicken. Imagine a tender, juicy piece of fried chicken nestled in a bao bun. It often comes with a spicy sriracha mayo. Flaky fish. Some places offer Gua Bao with pan-seared or battered fish. This provides a lighter option, often paired with a fresh slaw. Vegetarian delights. Plant-based versions are becoming very popular. You might find fillings like crispy tofu, roasted mushrooms, or even jackfruit pulled pork. Sauce transformations. The traditional sweet and savory sauce for pork belly is being reimagined. Spicy kicks. Chili oils, gochujang-infused sauces, or even habanero aioli are adding heat. Global flavors. Teriyaki glazes, hoisin reductions, or even a tangy barbecue sauce can pop up. Fusion toppings. Toppings are also getting an upgrade. Kimchi. This fermented Korean cabbage adds a huge punch of umami and spice. Avocado slices. For a creamy, rich texture and a touch of freshness. Crispy shallots or garlic. These add an extra layer of savory crunch. These creative twists show how Gua Bao continues to change. Chefs are embracing new ingredients while honoring the original concept. It is a fantastic way to experience familiar flavors in new ways. Finding authentic Gua Bao, tips for travelers and foodies. Finding a great Gua Bao is like finding a hidden gem. Whether you are in Taiwan or another country, a few pointers can help you discover the finest buns. It is all about knowing where to look and what to look for. In Taiwan, the night markets are your best bet for truly authentic Gua Bao. These bustling hubs of street food are where locals go for their favorite snacks. We suggest visiting Shilin Night Market, Taipei, one of Taiwan's largest and most famous markets. Many vendors here have perfected their Gua Bao recipe over generations. Roi Street Night Market, Taipei, known for its traditional Taiwanese snacks. Look for stalls with steam rising and lines forming. Ningxia Night Market, Taipei, often praised for its focus on classic Taiwanese comfort food. This market is a great spot for a traditional Gua Bao experience. When at these markets, keep an eye out for vendors specializing in Gua Bao. They often have Gua Bao prominently displayed on their signs. A good sign of quality is a long line of locals. This usually means the food is fresh, delicious and worth the wait. Another good indicator is seeing the pork belly simmering in a large pot and the buns steaming right in front of you. For viewers outside of Taiwan, finding authentic Gua Bao requires a slightly different approach. Look for dedicated Taiwanese eateries or dim sum restaurants that list Gua Bao on their menu. Many Asian grocery stores also carry pre-made buns, allowing you to create your own at home. Do some online research for Taiwanese restaurants in your area. Check reviews for specific mentions of Gua Bao to guide your choice. A great Gua Bao can transport you straight to the lively streets of Taiwan, no matter where you are. Gua Bao is more than just a pork bun, it represents a perfect mix of taste and tradition. Its soft bun, tender braised pork, tangy mustard greens, and crunchy peanuts create a balanced flavor experience. This beloved Taiwanese street food has a rich history, evolving from its Fujianese origins to become a significant part of Taiwanese culture, symbolizing good fortune during celebrations. Whether you try making it yourself, inspired by the step-by-step guide, or seek it out at a bustling night market, Gua Bao promises a truly satisfying culinary adventure. It is an essential taste of Taiwan, one you will not want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.